Hey everybody, this is my first video. I hope it helps you. Replacing a turn signal switch on a 72 Chevy, which would be the same as a GMC 68 to 72. The first turn signal switch didn't work because I put it in and the horn would start honking when I put the steering wheel in and tried to tighten it up. Looked things over, tried to find the wires going on, and decided it put the old one back in, it wouldn't honk. So I called LMC. They said take it to mechanic. I said I am a mechanic. They sent me a new one and said toss the old one. So put the new one in and the horn was honking. So I started looking it over real close, and what I discovered was on the new one it's got a round hold down for the horn contact, staple or strap, whatever you want to call it. The old one is straight across, it's flat. So I took a Dremel and I cut this knob off of this, ground this knob off here. I put it on the truck, put it together, and all works fine. The horn works fine, the lights all work fine. So if you ever order a new turn signal switch, check out that strap. Make sure it's flat. This is original equipment. This is the aftermarket. Hope that helps. Thanks. Good luck.